Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to enable commands in your hardcore world. So let's get started. As you may know, if you create a world and you select a hardcore mode, you cannot turn on commands. So allow commands is gray and I cannot click it, it is off. So let's create a world and I'm gonna show you how to allow commands in this hardcore world. So I just spawned. And basically what we need to do, we need to click escape, and here we've got open to LAN. We need to click open to LAN, and here as you can see we've got settings for other players. We've got game mode, it is survival, and we've got allow commands. It is set to off, but we just click on it and it is on. We can leave game mode survival, it's okay, and just click start LAN world. And as you can see, yeah, local game hosted, but it doesn't matter, nobody will join our world anyways. So now we can use commands. As you can see, I can type game mode creative and I'm in creative mode, and it is still a hardcore world. As you can see, if I go back to survival, game mode survival, I'm still in hardcore. My hearts, here you can see clearly that it is hardcore. So you can use any command, all commands are turned on. For example, time set night, I don't know, yeah, it is night now. Yeah, that's an easiest way to turn on commands on your hardcore world. Thank you for watching guys, see you next time.